Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best pickleball paddles. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. Meet the Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddle Set of 2, an excellent beginner-friendly bundle designed in the USA. With quality construction and everything you need to start playing, it's perfect for casual games and learning the sport. Priced at around $62.99, this set delivers great value by including 2 paddles, making it a smart choice for families, couples, or anyone looking to get into pickleball without spending a fortune. Includes 2 pickleball paddles, ideal for doubles or playing with a friend. Choose from Neo Graphite, Neo Fiberglass, or Atlas bundle options. Fiberglass face provides a responsive feel with added power. Polymer core helps reduce vibration for improved control and comfort. Lightweight design at approximately 7.5 ounces for easy handling. 4.25-inch comfortable grip fits most players. Designed in the USA by Selkirk Sport, a trusted pickleball brand. Suitable for both kids and adults, especially beginners. Pros. Excellent value for a complete 2-player set. Lightweight and comfortable for new players. Good balance of power and control. Durable construction from a reputable brand. Cons. Not designed for advanced or tournament-level players. Limited spin compared to premium carbon fiber paddles. Fewer customization options than higher-end models. Overall verdict. If you're new to pickleball and want a reliable, well-made paddle set at an affordable price, the Selkirk Sport SLK Set of 2 is an excellent choice that offers solid performance and great value. Number 4. JoncAye Pickleball Paddles Set. Introducing the JoncAye Pickleball Paddle Set, an all-in-one pickleball kit featuring USAPA-approved paddles, balls, a carrying bag, and accessories. It's a great choice for beginners and intermediate players. Starting at just $59.90, this set offers outstanding value by including everything you need to start playing, making it perfect for families, friends, and recreational players. Available in 2-player or 4-player sets for singles or family games. USAPA-approved paddles, suitable for official tournament play. Fiberglass paddle face delivers a nice balance of power and control. Graphite shaft with lightweight 8-ounce design for comfortable handling. Comfortable 4.25-inch grip helps reduce hand fatigue during long matches. Includes indoor and outdoor pickleball balls for versatile play. Comes with a carrying bag and overgrips for easy transport and added comfort. Designed for beginner and intermediate skill levels. Pros. Complete starter kit with paddles, balls, bag, and overgrips. USAPA approved for tournament-ready performance. Lightweight and easy to control. Excellent value for families and new players. Cons. Fiberglass face doesn't provide as much spin as premium carbon fiber paddles. Grip may need upgrading for players with larger hands. Not optimized for advanced competitive players. Overall verdict. If you're looking for a complete pickleball starter set at an affordable price, the JoncAye Pickleball Paddle Set is an excellent value. With tournament-approved paddles and all the essential accessories included, it's a fantastic choice for beginners, families, and intermediate players. Number 3. VUFOXT Pickleball Paddles Set. Introducing the VUFOXT Pickleball Paddle Set, a USAPA-approved paddle set featuring a carbon fiber surface and lightweight design, built for beginners and recreational players looking to improve their game. Priced at just $54.97, this paddle set offers impressive value with premium materials like a carbon fiber surface and a honeycomb core at an affordable price. Available in 2-player or 4-player sets for singles or family matches. USAPA approved for recreational and tournament play. Raw carbon fiber and fiberglass surface provides enhanced control, durability, and spin potential. 14mm polypropylene honeycomb core delivers a great balance of power, control, and reduced vibration. Lightweight construction helps improve maneuverability and quick reactions. Comfortable 4.88-inch grip offers a secure hold during extended matches. Suitable for beginners, intermediate, and casual players of all ages. Pros. Premium carbon fiber surface at a budget-friendly price. USAPA approved for official play. Excellent balance of power, control, and comfort. Lightweight design reduces arm fatigue. Great value for beginners and families. Cons. May not deliver the same spin and feel as high-end professional carbon paddles. Limited color options. Competitive players may prefer a thicker or more specialized paddle. Overall verdict. If you want a high-quality pickleball paddle set without spending a premium, the VUFOXT carbon fiber pickleball set is an excellent choice. It combines tournament approval, solid performance, and great value, making it ideal for beginners and recreational players alike. Number 2. VUFOXT Pickleball Paddles Set. Introducing the JoncAye Pickleball Paddle Set of 2, a 2026 USAPA-approved starter kit featuring lightweight fiberglass paddles, indoor and outdoor balls, and a convenient carrying bag. It's an excellent choice for new and intermediate players. At only $35.99, this is one of the best budget-friendly pickleball sets available, offering everything you need to start playing at an affordable price. 2026 USAPA-approved paddles for recreational and tournament play. Includes 2 lightweight fiberglass paddles for excellent maneuverability and comfort. 10 mm paddle core provides a balanced mix of power and control. Comes with 2 outdoor and 2 indoor pickleballs for versatile gameplay. Includes a durable carrying bag for easy storage and transportation. Comfortable 4.25-inch grip helps reduce hand fatigue during extended matches. Designed for beginners and intermediate players looking for reliable performance. Pros. Outstanding value at an affordable price. Complete starter kit with paddles, balls, and carrying bag. USAPA approved for official play. Lightweight paddles are easy to control. Great option for casual games and learning the sport. Cons. Fiberglass surface offers less spin than premium carbon fiber paddles. 10 mm core provides slightly less control than thicker 14 mm or 16 mm paddles. Not intended for advanced or highly competitive players. Overall verdict. For under $40, the JoncAye Pickleball Paddle Set delivers exceptional value. With USAPA-approved paddles, indoor and outdoor balls, and a carrying bag included, it's a fantastic budget-friendly choice for beginners and intermediate players. Number 1. JOOLA Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. Introducing the JOOLA Pickleball Paddle Set of 2, a USAP-approved beginner-friendly set featuring reinforced fiberglass paddles, pickleballs, and a carrying bag. It's a premium starter kit from one of the most trusted names in pickleball. Priced at $79, this set costs a bit more than budget options, but you get JOOLA's trusted quality, durable construction, and a complete package that's built to last. USAP-approved paddles for recreational and tournament play. Reinforced fiberglass surface delivers a great blend of power, control, and durability. Lightweight paddle design makes it easy to swing and maneuver. Comfortable 4.5-inch grip provides a secure and fatigue-free hold. Includes 2 paddles, pickleballs, and a carrying bag, everything you need to start playing. Available in multiple color options, including the stylish Blue Lightning Edition. Designed specifically for beginners, making it easy to learn and improve your skills. Built by JOOLA, a globally recognized brand known for high-quality paddle sports equipment. Pros. Trusted JOOLA quality and durability. USAP approved for official play. Complete starter kit with paddles, balls, and carrying bag. Lightweight and comfortable for new players. Attractive design with multiple color choices. Cons. Higher price than many beginner paddle sets. Fiberglass surface offers less spin than premium carbon fiber paddles. Experienced players may eventually upgrade to higher performance models. Overall verdict. If you're looking for a premium beginner pickleball set from a well-known brand, the JOOLA Pickleball Paddle Set is an excellent investment. It combines quality, comfort, and tournament approval in one complete package. If you're interested in the JOOLA Pickleball Paddle Set, check the affiliate link in the description for today's latest price. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews.